Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a real simple, easy dish, perfect for the weeknights because it comes together like 1, 2, 3. A bacon cheeseburger pasta. So what you want to do is start with about 2 pounds of ground beef, and you just want to brown that off, and when it's browned, drain the excess fat off. Then you want to take about 12 ounces of bacon. If you wanted a little more bacony, you can certainly go up to the full pound. But about 12 ounces of bacon you've chopped into about inch to half-inch pieces, and just want to fry that up. Once it's fried, obviously drain off the excess and then put on paper towels. Okay, in an oven-safe pan, you want to add 2 10 and 3/4 ounce cans of tomato soup. You know, the standard cans of tomato soup you see in any grocery store across the country. You want to add 2 of them and then a cup of water, a little bit of salt because remember the soup is salty, and of course pepper. And then you just want to, over a medium-low heat, just get this thing heated up. By the way, this would be a good time to start the water boiling for your pasta. You're going to need a pound of penne. And remember, cook it a minute less than the minimum amount of time on the package. All right, let's move on. Okay, the soup's been heated. The pasta's been cooked. Time to dump it all in there. Don't worry if a little bit of pasta water gets in there. Again, that water's got a bunch of starch, nice bunch of flavor. It's also got more salt. So again, another reason you want to be careful adding excess salt. And again, the bacon is quite salty. Not really sure about the sausage, what the content of that is. Or the ground beef, excuse me. Sorry, normally I make pasta dishes with sausage. But yeah, you've got the 2 pounds of ground beef, you got the 12 ounces of bacon, and 1 pound of pasta. And then just stir it around till everything is mixed together. Again, you're going to kind of end up making a mess, but you can clean it up later. And then you want to top with freshly shredded cheddar cheese. I personally went with a sharp. That's just me. But you can do mild or extra sharp, depending on your variety. And then you just want to pop this into an oven that's been heated for about 300, just until the cheese melts. So again, this is the part of the cook where you can't really walk away from it. I think mine took, like 3-4 minutes. But again, just keep an eye on it and pop open the oven every so often. All right, see you at the finished product. And there we go. That's the finished product. Just serve it right out of the skillet like that, and you're good to go. So that's bacon cheeseburger pasta. Done. Sorry I forgot to do the scoop out and put it on a plate thing. Sue me.